Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MAPFRE Insurance easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official MAPFRE Insurance website. Locate the Get a Quote or Start Your Policy button on the homepage. Click on it to begin the application process. Fill out the required personal information as prompted. This typically includes your name, address, and contact details. Provide information about the type of insurance you need. Select the coverage options that best suit your needs. Review any additional options or discounts available. Ensure all the information entered is accurate. Click the Next button to proceed with your application. You may be directed to review your policy details. Take your time to understand the terms and conditions. If everything looks good, proceed to finalize your application. You may need to create an account if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to set up your online account. This will usually involve creating a username and password. Once your account is created, log in to continue. Complete any remaining sections of your application. Submit any required documents as requested. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions. Once approved, you will receive your policy documents. Review your policy details carefully upon receipt. If you have any questions, contact MAPFRE customer support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your MAPFRE. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.